Points open all day already. That's awesome. Dan doesn't think it's good all day.
Was there someone else on Sasquatch that played in the tournament?
I don't think so.
Oh, good look, AJ.
But I can remember why. Oh, Nick did. Nick Georgia.
What is he, defense?
Yeah, I think he played for Brookline.
Oh, okay,
Woo! Watch out.
that's who maybe AJ was talking about then.
Way to pick that up, Kurt. A good shot.
I did score. Because, like, you fell, but you were, like, still trying to play the ball, but you had, like, no strength.
Good.
So they were like, okay, I guess we're not falling.
Get in there, goal. Stay back, goal. Stay back.
Slap! Slap!
No, let's take it up. Full line. Get the hell out of here. Are you supposed to? You always should.
We had 5 or 503.
Hit it, don't take one. Come on.
Middle!
Oh, nice. Yeah, we have extra guy now. Well, we thought we had more score for you too.
It wasn't the first game. We were +1 that first game.
I know. You guys, I don't think you guys gave one up.
I said that to you, we didn't believe it.
Move it. I do not think you guys did.
Yeah, no, we were +1 though.
I did. Come on, that's what I'm saying. I don't. From what I remember, I looked at the tapes too, and I don't think you guys gave up a
I
goal.
think we gave some of the others.
Yeah. Terry, go. You gave them up in a switch. I saw 2 gave up when you guys were switching.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah, I know the first game we were.
Keep going. You guys just played well together. It was great.
I'm going to switch to go with Cody.
That's what I figured. I didn't know why you said
Yeah,
that.
that's why.
Could have gave me Jimmy. I want Jimmy J. No, I want Jimmy J.
Come on, guys.
Chip.
Jimmy, come to the bench when you can.
Hunter! What happened with our lines here? Come on, Jim. Got a little mixed up.
I didn't realize we had another deep.
Come on, Jim. We only got 3. We got 1. No, that's all we got. Yeah, 4. Ryan's a deep. Oh, sorry. We don't have it. We have 2 full lines. We have 2 full lines.
That's why it was fun.
I miscounted.
Joe.
I don't know math yet.
Okay.
That new math got me all confused. I had to do boxes and 18 sheets of paper for 1 plus 1. About time.
Yeah, right?
Come on, guys. Right behind you.
There you go, Brian.
No. One day.
No, he said no.
It wasn't Ryan or Kev.
Is it busy?
Not really.
You made 130 in tips?
Nah. Probably about like $70.
That's not too bad. Dude, gas is fucking expensive. Dude, if there's a speedway like near you, just go to that. It's only $3.
No, I'm just gonna go to Sam's Club next time.
Oh yeah, that's also smart.
Coming on you hard.
Under.
Out! There you go.
Dad, I need you to pressure that.
Hey, use your hand.
You got that. You got that.
On net! Yep. He just apologized to the ball? I think he apologized to the ball. Dolan. He missed it. He's like, oh, sorry. Oh, no!
Number!
I
got him. Open the door.
Oh, man.
Move out of the way for that. He wasn't a shot, don't get me wrong. He was good. I was on shot. Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Because, step. Oh, nice try.
We got two guys under there.
Come on, guys. That's shit.
Wake up your man.
Come on, guys.
Who's on the fly guy?
There you go. There you go. Like, play in front of that net. Go get in front of that net.
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah, it's getting slippery. Take a look. Get there, get there. Take a look. It's all right.
Yeah.
Nice play, Mike.
Go. Don't let him get by.
Go there, go.
Good night, John.
Go, go. Go. Take the next rush and then start looking. Go away. Wrong person we want to have.
Defensive player, the only obviously nobody has hands the same.
Good look. Out. Bring. Yeah, good block.
Come on, guys. Get it out of there. Come on, guys. Get it out of there. Oh, my kidding.
Minute left, guys.
Come on, boats.
Good, Blue. Off, White. Off. Down. Good. Good. Come on, get there. Yeah, corner. 30. Slap that shit, Joe.
Come on, what are you doing?
Get it on net to score.
Come on, guys. Again.
Going for the perfect play. 10!
Oh.